What's going on, guys? So we tried for some topwater this morning, had zero luck. So now we're heading over to one of my friend's ponds to fish with him and his son. His son, little does he know, actually has a brand new bait caster sitting back here in the back of my truck. It's a Cast King 7-foot heavy rod with a brand new bait caster on it, also made by Cast King. So we're gonna head over here, sling some baits around, hopefully catch some big old sallies, and get a good reaction out of him once we tell him that that bait caster he's been using is actually his. So y'all stay tuned, and I will see y'all once we hit the water.
And then here, when you get that up going, Reed, come up here to the bank, and then y'all can have me my rods and reel.
You don't need no rod and reel.
I can hand fish.
Yeah.
I swim fish.
You're probably pretty good at it. Do a little noodling?
I think.
Dude, if you come out with a largemouth in your mouth. Got one good. Oh, there you go. Come on, you little dink, making them surf. Unhook yourself in the boat. Relax, relax, relax. Nick, I got a fish. I got a fish. That's about the same size as yours. Bloop.
My tackle ball.
Yeah, this one?
Oh, this is just, mine's a bright green.
Yeah, I like the dang. Black and blue's always been my favorite, man.
I was thinking about taking that. Or the white one.
Mm-hmm. Almost went in the water. I stepped right on my tackle box, about to send myself in the water. I stepped right on my tackle box. You hungry? Got some salad for you. Let it be in there too. Almost. See. Oh, I think he knows now. What's up, Chris? Not much. Just over here at Nick's fishing. Yeah, yeah. All right. Yeah.
Apparently he was out here again last night. Dog fishing about 4 in the morning.
At your place? He didn't learn after you told him you were going to shoot him?
Well, I didn't catch him out when I left out to go to the store right before lunch. He done stacked a bunch of big ass damn rocks in my shit again.
Yeah.
So I was like, all right, I've had a damn enough of it. So I went on to the store. I come back home. I got on my tractor. I got a big pile of concrete debris and bricks and rocks and blocks. And I went over there and I got big chunks, probably 200-pound chunks of concrete and all that shit, and loaded my bucket up. I went up there to the road and got them rocks and stacked in my shit. And I drove right down there to their driveway, right at their gate.
Yeah.
Right out this fucking driveway part, their driveway.
So they going to be able to get a car out? They ain't going to be able to get their car out?
No,
That's hysterical.
no, there'll be no way to come out of there.
That's,
Moving a bunch of big ass rocks.
that is hysterical.
And I've done made up my mind every damn time that some bitch stacks rocks in my shit again. Cause I got a big debris pile of rock and all kinds of shit up here. And now every time he does it, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a big damn huge ass bucket load on my tractor and drive down there and dump out in the driveway.
Yeah, we knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. You clear out your debris pile and you aggravate them.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna call the law to him. I'll tell them, I said, well, y'all know he's been doing it, and y'all ain't done nothing about it, and I'm just returning his rocks to him.
Yep, exactly. Man, he was hauling a huge rock down yesterday.
Yeah, well, he put 3 pretty damn big. One of them's probably at least 120 pounds.
I don't know how that scrawny little dude's moving those.
Well, I mean, dude, he's obviously strong.
Yeah. Oh man, Chris. Me? Oh heck yeah. Yeah.
Good times.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah, when you...
Yeah.
So Reed, how you like your new baitcaster? Uh huh. Yeah. You're welcome. I told you I was gonna get you one, didn't I?
What are you telling?
He said thank you. Huh?
I told him it'd be better.
No pressure, Reed. You're just on camera. Self-centering. Look at that.